Happy Thursday, February 19th, and welcome back to Future Ready Today podcast. I'm Isabel.
And I'm Justin. Isabel, there is such a vibrant energy in the air today. We are right in the heart of Black History Month celebrations, and our students are truly showing us what collective excellence looks like.
They really are. Today's update is packed because we aren't leaving anything out, from deep reflections on our shared history to major student awards and important upcoming deadlines.
Moving on, Dr. Lannin shared a very personal message this week. She spent the last 14 days visiting schools, and she noted that Black History Month isn't about separation. It's a bridge to our shared future.
Her stories from the field were so moving. At Johnson STEAM Academy, she saw students from every background standing shoulder to shoulder to honor Black innovators. At McKinley's Level Up event, she watched a diverse audience come together, and she was particularly touched by a lead singer who wasn't Black, singing Lift Every Voice and Sing with Incredible Soul.
And we can't forget the Washington High School Assembly. A junior named Sebastian performed a poem called The Sound of Color that actually brought the room to its feet. He said, "We don't say Black Lives Matter because others don't. We say it because they matter too."
Dr. Lannin also highlighted Metro's high school's dinner with doctors, reminding us that representation is the heart of excellence. Our students want to see themselves in their books, their classrooms, and their future professions.
Shifting gears to wellness, Cedar River Academy at Taylor Elementary is redefining sustainability. They focus on 3 pillars: environment, community, and this is the cool part, the self.
Once a month, they hold Sustainability of Self afternoons. Every classroom transforms into a different activity hub, and students get to voice and choice to pick their room that meets their needs for the day.
So if a student has big emotions and needs high energy movement to decompress, there's a space for that. If they need a quiet, mindful room to refocus, that's available too. It's teaching them how to manage themselves so they can be ready for the future.
Now moving on, go for the gold, the Attendix Olympics. We're officially out of the starting blocks for the CRCSD Attendance Olympics. This runs through March 13th to help us beat the February slump.
Oh, it's a feeder pattern competition, so nobody likes the February slump. We're awarding medals every week for 2 things: weekly attendance rates and week-over-week growth. Keep an eye on the weekly newsletter for the medal counts as we head towards the closing ceremony.
Ooh.
Moving on, this is a big one. The whole city is taking notice of 14 students who are leading the way today. They were featured in the Gazette yesterday and on Iowa News Now Tuesday night.
We want to read all 14 names because their leadership deserves the spotlight. Saddam Akili from Hoover, Damari Anderson from Wilson, Jackson Carter from Harding, Gabby Cousins from Roosevelt, Brinley Fernan from Taft, Madison Gunther from Franklin, Italy Martin from McKinley, Paulina Monteraz from Van Buren, Nolan Reeder from Kenwood, Eli Saul from Pierce, Vera Schuler from Grantwood, Noah States from JSA, Danila Williams from Cedar River Academy, and Judah Wing from Wright.
We just want to say a big congratulations to these 14 under 14 awards that are a part of the Kids First movement, and check out more information in the newsletter.
All right, moving on, we have some important dates and opportunities coming up fast.
Jefferson Rising 9th grade night. This is happening next Tuesday, February 24th. The presentation is at 5:30 p.m. and the activities fair is at 7:35 p.m.
Student State Board member. Standout high schoolers can apply for a seat on the Iowa State Board of Education. Applications for the 26-27 term are due February 27th.
Teacher of the Year nominations for the 2027 Iowa Teacher of the Year are open to everyone and also due February 27th.
And finally, the Bus Safety Poster Contest. The theme is Safe Rides, Everyday Heroes. K-12 artists have up until April 17th to submit their work.
Let's wrap up with some quick highlights from our schools. Trailside's 3rd through 5th graders enjoyed a book tasting to find their next favorite read.
It was pretty cool. Harding 8th graders are actually rebuilding a piece. And Harding 8th grader actually rebuilt a piece of the original Charger mascot that was found this year, and it looks pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. Erskine kindergartners spent recess flying kites into the wind. Hiawatha Elementary 5th graders in Mrs. Conson's class are conducting acid mixture experiments.
And at Metro STEAM Academy, they were launching rockets as a major part of the Artemis mission space science theme. And a huge shout out to McKinley's show choir, who brought brought home another grand champion title at Moshow. And finally, in the news, the district just received a $50,000 grant to better support special education students who have become disengaged. It's all part of our commitment to make sure every student reaches graduation.
That's a lot of excellence for one Thursday. Thank you for staying engaged with us.
We'll see you next week. Until then, stay future ready.